Imagine this: you're floating weightlessly in space, gazing down at the Earth as a tiny blue marble. A dream that many have cherished since childhood. But how much does this dream cost? Let's dive into the astronomical figures involved in getting on a spacecraft. The cost of a spaceflight can vary wildly depending on several factors, including the destination, the duration of the trip, and the level of comfort you desire. For a short suborbital flight, like those offered by companies like Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin, you can expect to pay anywhere from $250,000 to $500,000. These flights offer a brief taste of space, but they don't involve going into orbit. For a trip to the International Space Station, ISS, the cost can be significantly higher. Commercial spaceflight companies like SpaceX and Roscosmos charge millions of dollars per seat. The exact price can fluctuate based on factors like launch availability and the specific services provided. The factors affecting cost. Several factors contribute to the high cost of spaceflight. First, there's the cost of developing and launching rockets. Rockets are incredibly complex machines that require massive investments in research, development, and manufacturing. Second, there's the cost of ensuring safety. Spaceflight is inherently risky, and companies must invest heavily in safety measures to protect their passengers. Third, there's the cost of providing life support systems. Astronauts need food, water, oxygen, and other essentials to survive in space. These systems are complex and expensive to develop and maintain. Finally, there's the cost of training astronauts. Astronauts undergo rigorous training to prepare for the challenges of spaceflight. This training can be time-consuming and expensive. The future of spaceflight costs. As the space industry continues to grow, we can expect to see a decline in the cost of spaceflight. Technological advancements, increased competition, and economies of scale will all contribute to making spaceflight more affordable. In the future, it's possible that space tourism will become as accessible as air travel. One factor that could significantly reduce the cost of spaceflight is the development of reusable rockets. Reusable rockets can be launched multiple times, reducing the overall cost of space travel. Companies like SpaceX have made significant progress in developing reusable rockets, and their success could pave the way for more affordable spaceflight. So, how much does it cost to get on a spaceship? The answer is, it depends. The price can vary widely based on factors like destination, duration, and level of comfort. While spaceflight is still expensive, technological advancements and increased competition could make it more accessible in the future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.